Hi everyone, welcome back again. The lesson of this script you are going to study about question, short answer. For the topic, we are going to know about or are you doing? Or are you doing? The meaning in Lao is mean เจ้ากำลังเฮ็ดบ่เจ้ากำลังเฮ็ดบ่ You see the topic are you doing is mean present continuous tense question present continuous tense question Are you ready? If you are ready, let us go and practice together. This is the name of the topic. Present continuous tense questions. Present continuous tense question. In ลาวกาลปัจจุบันต่อเนื่องรูปแบบคำถามกาลปัจจุบันต่อเนื่องรูปแบบคำถาม Next this is we call structure. The structure verb to be am is plus subject plus verb at ing plus object. Do not forget full stop question mark at the back, the red color. Repeat again. Verb to be am is or are plus subject plus verb at ing plus object. Do not forget full stop question mark. In ลาว am verb to be am is or are หรือว่า are บวกประธานบวก verb ตืม ing บวกตัวกรรมอย่าลืมเด็ดขาดนั่นก็คือจำไม่ถาม verb to be am is หรือว่า are บวกประธานบวก verb ตืม ing บวกตัวกรรมอย่าลืมจำไม่ถามตัวสีแดงหมายไว้ next start from number one are you watching it are you watching it in ลาวเจ้ากำลังเบิ่งมันบ่เจ้ากำลังเบิ่งมันบ่ If you would like to answer this question you answer like you have watch before script. You need to answer like this. The question they ask you about are you watching it and then you need to answer short answer or answer. Yes, I am or yes, I'm like this. Next, number two, is it raining? Is it raining? In ลาวฝนกำลังตกบ่ฝนกำลังตกบ่ Short answer you need to or you should answer yes it is yes it is or yes is yes is you see from the picture it's raining right next number three is he working today is he working today in ลาวผู้ชายกำลังเฮ็ดเวียกบ่มื้อนี้ลาวผู้ชายกำลังเฮ็ดเวียกบ่มื้อนี้ The answer you should answer yes he is yes he is or yes he is yes he is next number four are your friends staying at a hotel are your friends staying at a hotel in ลาวเพื่อนของเจ้ากำลังพักอยู่โรงแรมบ่ เพื่อนของเจ้ากำลังพักอยู่โรงแรมบ่ Your answer should be yes there are or yes they are yes there like this next number 5 or are you leaving now are you leaving now กินแล้วเจ้ากำลังออกเดี๋ยวนี้บ่เจ้ากำลังออกเดี๋ยวนี้บ่ Your answer should be yes I am or yes I'm yes I am or yes I'm next number okay sorry next this is for WH question for the structure start from WH question plus verb to be am is plus subject plus verb at ing plus object do not forget full stop question mark again WH question plus verb to be like am is plus subject plus verb at ing plus object do not forget full stop question mark how about the in Lao WH present บวก am is are หรือ are บวกประธานบวก verb เติม ing บวกตัวกรรมอย่าลืมจำไม่ถาม WH question บวก verb to be am is หรือ are บวกประธานบวก verb เติม ing บวกตัวกรรมอย่าลืมจำไม่ถามเด็ดขาด next see for the detail for WH question start from number 6 why are you wearing a coat why or are you wearing a coat อินลาวเป็นอย่างเจ้าจึงกำลังนุ่งเสื้อคลุมเป็นอย่างเจ้าจึงกำลังนุ่งเสื้อคลุม the answer is not short answer this answer you need to answer information answer like a long answer like a start from why you need to answer or your answer should be because outside is cold so I am wearing a coat like this you need to answer long answer next number 7 what are they doing what are they doing อินลาวเจ้ากำลังเฮ็ดหยังเจ้ากำลังเฮ็ดหยัง so this answer should be เขาเจ้ากำลังเฮ็ดหยัง not เจ้ากำลังเฮ็ดหยังเขาเจ้ากำลังเฮ็ดหยัง so the answer should be they are doing what you see from the picture so you see from the one picture example this picture the boy is playing snooker game the boy and who else or there are two maybe there are two so two boys are playing snooker game so you need to answer and your answer should be there are playing snooker game there are playing snooker game like this in Lao is mean พวกเขากำลังเล่นกีฬาสนุกเกอร์พวกเขากำลังเล่นกีฬาสนุกเกอร์ and you can answer many answer is up to you next number 8 where is she going where is she going your answer should be she is going to the school she is going to the school like this next number 9 who or are you waiting for who or are you waiting for in ลาวเจ้ากำลังรอท่าไผเจ้ากำลังรอท่าไผ Your answer should be I am waiting for my mom I am waiting for my mom Next number 10 What are you looking at What are you looking at in ลาวเจ้ากำลังเบิ่งหยังอยู่เจ้ากำลังเบิ่งหยังอยู่ Your answer should be I am looking at something I am looking at something like this so break here if this script has basic or essential for who don't have basic before please subscribe like share thank you very much for all of you follow subscribe for all of my video